Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor, Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for Tutormatch.com. In this session, we will be discussing about working with geographic locations. AutoCAD 2017 is capable of tagging the geographic location to the workspace. Inserting geographic location information to a drawing file makes points within the drawing corresponding to the geographic locations on the surface of the earth. By using this feature, as you can see here, you can draw the plan of the building on the real-time map. This will help you to estimate the size and enable you to orient the structure in real time. This feature is most widely used by civil engineers for planning their designs in the real scenario. Now let's see this option in the software. As we know, we have the workspace here like this. In order to add the geographic locations to the workspace, we can come over to the Visualize tab or the Insert tab. In the Visualize tab, we have a section called Sun and Location. When you click on this drop down, you can find an option called Set Location. This option helps you to tag the location to the workspace. When you go and click on this, you have an option called From Map. You can also give a From File option if you have any GIS file which contains the coordinates. Let me go with the From Map options like this. Now you can see that a Specify Location dialog box has been put up. From here, you can select the location wherever you need. You can also give an address so that you can point the marker there. So let me type London like this and press enter. So you can see here, defaultly there are many markers shown like this. You can also go to the map and mark your point manually by right clicking on the map and going for the option drop marker here. Correct. I will go with my first option like this. It will automatically set the marker here. Now you can see that it calculates the latitude and the longitude of that location. The elevation option is given here to elevate the map when it is inserted to your workspace. And when you give any value for this one, it will be elevated towards the Z direction. With the default value, I will press next. Now you can see that it comes to the second page of the set coordinate system. From here you can select the GIS coordinate system. Each place has its own standard GIS coordinate system, which can be found out by referral. So for the time being, I will go with the first one, that is BELGE-50, like this. And with the default setting, I will go with the option next. Now you can see that the command line is asking to put up the location in the workspace, and it is showing a default value 0, 0, 0. I will give a default value in the exact origin like this. Correct. Now it is asking to show the north direction according to the workspace. As we know that the north direction is towards top, I will also show the map north direction here. Now as you can see that the point has been marked at the origin, and the map has been loaded here like this. You can zoom into your corresponding position and find out the locations like this. Pretty interesting, right? So you can actually build your drawings in the map in the real time. When you put up the map, you will get an additional tab called Geolocation, where you can adjust the location parameters in the software. There is an option called Capture Area, which will help you to show an area which is fixed for the designing. This area will help you to plot this design to PDF. When you select on this capture area, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and even you can adjust the fading. You can give the image resolution by increasing or decreasing. If you give very fine, the image will be loaded again and it will become much more fine. Correct. This option enables you to toggle between the map road, map aerial, and map hybrid. That means you can show road like this, or you can come over to get the map hybrid, which will show the combination of road as well as aerial view. Like this. Correct. Once you have selected your capture area, you can remove the map from your software. Remove location. It will be asked, do you want to remove location option? You can press yes. So now you can see that the map has been removed and the selected area has been there. Correct. So with this feature, it is pretty more easy to show your designs in real time on the map. Let me get you one more example. Consider the map like this. Here I have already defined a capture area like this. Correct. I have already inserted a plan which resembles the real scenario. So with this feature, you can look how the plan makes on the map. And when you zoom out, you can see that the map has been building towards outside. So like this, you can use this feature to create the design in much more accuracy regarding the real scenario. So that's the end of this session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback. And for more videos, log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.